Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk about side sit-ups here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So this is not the prep version. This is the regular version. This is the version we're all trying to get to, and it can take some time. So just know if you need the prep version to make sure you check out that video. And that's why I broke these exercises apart inside the barrels flashcard for OnlinePilatesClasses.com, because it's important to me that you knew that they had options. If you can't do the one that is ideal, then there's another one that's ideal for you. And that's okay too, right? So let me know in the comments below which version you like the best for yourself right now. But I have a poll here because we'll use it in a second. So first you'll have your bottom foot most likely on the bottom rung, and your top foot can be on the second rung from the top or even this one, but typically you'll pick the top one, and you want to put it somewhere that feels like you can pull this leg into you and then reach out from the back of this leg. Now this bottom leg, I have it straight today, but it took me a really long time to get a straight bottom leg. If you need to, you can also bend it so you have a leg to stand in, okay? So when you're new, you might want to do this with your hands behind the head, and you'll side sit up and side sit up. Now I'm pushing into this top leg like crazy. It is not like just like hanging out. I'm not hooking the foot. I'm reaching. So both legs are reaching as I bend up and over the barrel. Now, if I am doing well with my hands behind my head, I can make myself a little longer, make this a little harder, and use the pole and do my side sit-ups. And so this is limiting how big my side sit-ups can be today, but eventually they'll get as big as they did when the hands were behind my head. Now, there is an advancement of this exercise, which I separated out when I did the flashcards, because it's important that you know that it is an advancement and that you can still do this if you can't do that. So I'll show that in another video. Make sure you check it out. And thank you so much for using the flashcards. If you have a weaker side, you'll do that side first, then the strong side, then you'll go back to the weak side. Let me know how this feels in your body in the comments below, and have an amazing day.